ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan ra ashapi dak Orange Nissan Looms Hope Ho near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Kendailat Shillong, ka Three Olives Restaurant, balak play nakbentaban Shakriya P, hapo ka jingada jong ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, ringkat ka Cosmic Kingdom, ka Jakai Lekai Bapaw ha Shillong, balayada na ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, balale da ka Meva Enterprise.
Uba Lahkmen Rymbui, ubalong UMLA ke UDP, bat hakajo ke por Menteri ke Sorkar Jela, ubabat ya ketenat ki kampok yeng, ha ke arpuhnyo terik ukala lengkot arzar arpuwe. Ula Sangah teng ya Presiden ke BJP, uba Ernest Mauri, halor ke jingdawa yu uban Herno Mardor na ke Syuki ba uban, kum Menteri ketenat ki kampok yeng. Habaya keren bat kilat pathai kubor, uba Lahkmen Rymbui ula ong, ba umday setia ukau put, uba rit mensim, habawan kono ke jing ha ke jing im. Bad hakajo ka por ula ongru, baka jingyo lat jong uban syong hakasuki menteri kadai leng baka parti UDP, leng baka parti BJP.
Love people to criticize me, because by people criticize me, it is like a vitamin for me to work more. So, and if at all there is any lapse, if at all there is any shortcoming, also I will try to improve. I never take any people criticism as criticism of Rymbui. They have the right to point. They have the right. And I have the right also to do to perform my duty. See, it is not a question of declining. It's not a question. There is no question at all. I am here as a minister, being sponsored by the UDP, not by anybody. It's sponsored by UDP, and I'm holding the portfolio. It is because of our chief minister. So this too will take a decision of me, not Tom, Dick and Harry.